So in this video, we're going to show you how to use third-party email tools for easy design. So this is CharityEngine's email creative tool. You want to probably create really cool looking emails, easy to design emails, and then ones that are definitely mobile responsive. So we're going to show you an easy way to do it where you design it in a third-party tool and then go into CharityEngine and just paste in the code. Very easily done, and that's what this video is about. So using a third-party design tool. The first thing you're going to want to do is find a third-party design tool that you like. In this example, I'm using Mail Builds. I like them, but you may find others you like. There's a lot out there that are great. The only important thing is that you've got to be able to export as HTML. But you can see with this one, I've got a lot of different examples of templates, pre-built templates I can use. Easy to find different sections that were already created, and then I just drag and drop directly into my email. Just like that. I can make any little changes. You can see it comes with the image placeholders already. Click out things, delete things. If I want to change out the background image, I've already uploaded my team picture image. So I click on that, save it, and there you go. So real easy to use. I want to change that button out front from try a demo to meet our team. And it's done. So as you can see, real easy to use. There's tools like that that you can do all your building in. So designing the email. So you're going to go in and you're going to design your email. I've already created this one. Hopefully you think it looks pretty cool. But this is just an example and it's mobile responsive, looks great on any kind of device. But you'll notice here the images I've placed them already. I would recommend that you actually use image placeholders. Don't put your images into the template just yet. You'll probably want to wait till you get into CharityEngine and insert them directly in our system. So that way we're hosting the images. Gives you a lot more control and it's a better idea. But you can see here we've built out the template. Looks great. It's exactly what we need. So how do we export the HTML? All right, well, pretty easy. But again, you need to make sure your design tool does this. Here we have the export template. We go to export template in HTML, click desktop. And it's going to give us to keep the images online, the option. If you did use your images, you'll probably want to leave them. I'm leaving them anyways, but I am going to swap them out. So we've now downloaded it to my download folder. I open it up. I right-click on the file and open with my file extractor tool. And now you can see it's unzipped it and created an HTML file. So now there is my email in HTML ready to go. So now I'm going to right-click on that image to view page source or whatever your web browser says, something like that. I'm going to select all, and then I'm going to copy that entire page of code. Okay, so now we're going to paste the code into CharityEngine. So we go to our email. Remember, this was our Meet Our Team email, so I'll call it Meet Our Team, Meet the Team. The subject is going to be Meet the Team. No, Meet the CharityEngine team. And then I go to the source code, and all I do is paste that code directly in here. Hit OK, and now you can see that that image translated. So first we want to insert images and hyperlinks. One thing you'll notice, it looks a little whacked out. That's just because different browsers present in different WYSIWYGs. It will render properly in all your usages. But so see what I'm doing here, I just click on the image, I go to insert image, and I can insert the images that I've uploaded into CharityEngine easily. Make sure that you size them to whatever your image template is. Here it's 170 by 170, so make sure you make your images that size so they will fit your template specs. But you can see how easily this is done. And again, it's a little bit out of line, but you're going to be sending yourself test emails anyways. To insert a hyperlink, we just go to whatever part we want to hyperlink, click Insert Link, and then type our URL that we want it to go to. So we've gone ahead and done that. But what I recommend is actually inserting images directly in the code, and here's why you would want to be able to do that. You see right here, we want to put in our big banner image. Okay, and it's just a blank template right now. Okay, when we highlight the entire thing and we go to insert the images, So just like this, you'll see what happens. We've got our image, we click OK. Make sure it's the right size, 560. Okay, now the image went in, but it also got rid of the button, right? That button was overlaid, but we ended up deleting it when we just did what we did. So if you want to be able to keep that button, which is important because that actually is separate from your image, and in the mobile responsive, it'll move properly. Go ahead and copy your image URL. Go into the code, and we're going to use the Control-F, the find function. We know that that image is near the Meet Our Team button, so we look for the word meet. Now we found it. And now we're going to look for the URL for the image that's in there right now. Looking ahead above it, I see, okay, there's the image, the default image. We see Mail Build Rookie Web Studio. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to highlight that image, and then I'm going to paste in my URL. You saw above it said 600. That tells me that 600 pixels, that's probably that billboard image. That's how I knew where that was. I'm doing it a number of times because this actually speaks to the mobile responsiveness. So you just want to find all the places to replace that image, and now you see that it's behind. So if you want to add a CharityEngine template, if you have one already, you see this one that we built, we don't have a template. We could have done it in our tool, but I'm showing you what it's like without. So all you do is you select your template, go ahead and update it, and now when we preview it, we see that it's got our CharityEngine template. You want to make sure that your template aligns with your design, but that's how it works. And then go ahead and send your test yourself and see how it all lays out.